Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Math for Beginners, Arithmetic, Class 28. Title of this class is Time and Work Problems. Here we want to solve some problems about time and work, which this problem solved by ratio and proportion. For solving problems of time and work, we use formula 1 by A plus 1 by B, it is equal to 1 by C. 1 is the time of a person individually finish the work. Also B is another time which another person work individually and finished in another time, and C is the time which both A and B work together and finished in C times. It is the original formula for solving time and work problem. Now we want to solve an example. Ahmad find a room in 6 hours and Mahmoud can do it in 3 hours. How long will it take Ahmad and Mahmoud to paint a room together? Now we want to find the time which they work together. Here A is equal to 6 hours, B is equal to 3 hours, and C is equal to unknown. 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C. This implies 1 by 6 hours plus 1 by 3 hours is equal to 1 by C. Here we take the common denominator. 6 is common denominator. 6 divided by 6, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1 plus 6 divided by 3, 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2. It is equal to 1 by C. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 by 6 hours is equal to 1 by C. We can cancel 3 by with 6. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by C. We make opposite both sides. We can write 2 by 1 is equal to 3 by 1. C by 1. This implies C is equal to 2 hours. It is the answer. Example 2. Mark and Kelly can finish a job in 4 hours working together. If it takes Mark 6 hours to complete the job working alone, how long will it take Kelly to finish the job working by herself? Now we have formula 1 by A is plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C. Here we have A is equal to 6 hours, B is unknown, C is equal to 4 hours. Now we want to find 1 by 6 hours plus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 4 hours. Instead of C we can write 4 hours. Here B is unknown. We take a figure and write like this: 1 by 4 hours minus we change. We carry 1 by 6 hours in right side, 1 by 6 hours. Now here we want to take the common denominator between 4 and 6. Common denominator is here 1 by B is equal to 24. 24 and 12. 12 is okay. 12 hours divided by 4, 3 times. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 minus 12 divided by 6, 2 times 2 multiplied by 1, 2 is equal to 1 by 12 hour. Now actually this implies 1 by b is equal to 1 by 12 hour. This implies b is equal to 12 hour. It is the answer. Here is example 3. Alex, Christine and Ronald complete a task in 6 hours, 9 hours and 18 hours working alone respectively. How long will it take for them to complete the task working together? We want to solve this question. Solution. We have 3 persons, Alex, Christine and Ronald. If we have 3, 4, 5, we can also expand the formula 1 by A plus 1 by K plus 1 by R is equal to 1 by C. Here we have 3 persons. Now we know that Alex worked 6 hours, Christine worked 9 hours and Ronald worked 18 hours. 1 by 6 hours plus 1 by 9 hours plus 1 by 18 hours. It is equal to 1 by C. Now we take the common denominator 18 hours divisible by 9 by 6 and by itself. 18 hours divided by 6, 3 multiplied by 1, 3 plus 18 divided by 9, 2 times 2 plus 2 in 2 multiplied by 1, 2 plus 18 divided by 8, 18, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. It is equal to 1 by C. If we find the sum of these three numbers, it will be 6 by 8 hours. It is equal to 1 by C. We can write 18 hours divided by 6 is equal to 6 by 1. Now we cancel 6 divided by 6, 1. 18 divided by 6, 3 times. C is equal to C divided by 1. C is equal to 3 hours. 3 hours. If these three persons work together, they will finish the task in 3 hours. It is the answer. Thank you. Our next lesson will be interest or profit or benefit. It has so many names. Thank you.